So I just plugged in my new clock and I was going to show you all how easy it is to set. I want to hit mode. This is for the date. When I hold it in, that's for the year, of course. And you hit this button. And since that's correct, I'm going to hit mode again. Once the month, July, mode, 13th, mode. That automatically put it on Wednesday. And now we need to do time. Since it's on the time, it's on, I believe, 24-hour time. So I'm going to hit that. I held in the 12:24 button and it put it on 12-hour time. And now I would like to set the time, so I'm going to hit mode. Oh, that's for the date. My bad. And now, yeah. That was for the alarm, so let's definitely change that. Bell is up there, so let's hit mode again. And it's going to go back to the time. I had it on AM there.